In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Glide app in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. So whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll find these instructions clear and easy to follow. So grab your computer and let's dive in. First things first, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just head to your preferred search engine and type in Glide Apps. Once you've entered the search, you should see the official Glide website popping up among the top search results. Go ahead and click on that link to open up the site. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Glide website, it's time to log in. Look for the login option, usually at the top right or right in the middle of the home page. You'll need to sign in using your credentials. If you're a new user, you might need to create an account first, but we're assuming you've already got that covered. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Glide dashboard, where all your apps reside. Next, you need to select one of your existing apps that you wish to publish. Simply browse through the list of apps you've created and click on the one you'd like to put out there for the world to see. Once you click on it, the app will open up in the Glide editor for any last-minute adjustments or personalizations you want to make. Now that your app is loaded and customizable, take a moment to review and tweak any final designs or features to ensure it's just how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the look and functionality, your next move is crucial: publishing your app. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the Glide editor and locate the Publish button. Clicking this button brings up a window where you'll be prompted to create a custom URL for your app. This URL will have a glide.page ending, so take a moment to come up with a memorable and relevant name that suits your app. Moving on to the Privacy tab, you have the power to control who can access your app. You can make it entirely public, restricting it to specific people, or require users to sign in for access. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click to confirm. Finally, when you're ready to go live, hit that Publish button. Once your app is published, the Publish button will transform into a Share button. This opens up a variety of sharing options. You can generate a QR code or a shareable link, or even invite specific users via email. Choose whichever method suits you best and share your newly published Glide app with the world. And there you have it. From setting up to publishing, you now know how to put your Glide app out there in just 5 minutes. Be sure to try it out and share your app with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy app publishing.